Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to delete your search history in Google Maps. So the first way is to just click on your search bar and manually delete all the places you have searched for. You can also click on more from recent history. This way you'll get more better view of all the places you have searched for and you can select all at once and delete them. And the other way is if you want to delete more of your search history all at once is by clicking on this icon at the top left corner. Then you'll click on Maps Activity. Then you'll click on the delete option with an arrow here. You can either delete your search history of today, or you can select a custom range, or you can just delete all time, which will delete all of your search history. You can also set up an auto delete. I'll just delete all the time here and we'll click on delete. This way our deletion is completed.